To Manila na tayo guys. Ito na tayo sa airport. Flight natin 9:30. Tambay muna tayo sa loob. Check in na tayo. Ayun o. Check in na tayo sa loob ng airplano. Mamaya pang 9:30 flight ni Gamal. Tunggal muna tayo sa airport. Chika muna, chika. Oh, city.
We ask you to kindly remain seated until you are called to board. We now invite customers seated in zones 2 and 1 for boarding. Once again, customers seated in zones 2 and 1 take up forward for boarding. Thank you.
Sa CR ng airport sa Davao. Claro, this manifesto for Mindanao. English. Claro. I believe, I hope, and pray. Di ba klaro? Sobrang liit. Gala-gala tayo guys. Ayun ang chicks ah. Yung chicks lang. Ayan ah. Wow, ganda rin ate oh. Ay, isa. Gala-gala tayo. Malapit na tayo mga on-board. Ginay na. Gala-gala kami tayo ah. Sa loob na.
Thank you for waiting. Cebu City Airport 5600 bound for Cebu is now ready to accept extra flight payments and small children, senior citizens, and those with special assistance in boarding being upper second. Please have your individual boarding pass together with your ID, ready to be presented to our main personnel and to our
Gate 6. 7. Boss, saan ang 7? 7 ba ako? Yan? Ay? Ano yan? 9 Cebu. 9 pa po eh. Ito? 5G974. Ano yan? 600. Hindi ko maano, kita. Salamat ah. Dito tayo. Ating puan.
Calling the attention of some guests of PG-638 bound for Manila.
Kulang atensyon daw. Nahanap yung nawawalang aso. Aso nawala. Gate 7. Battle for Manila. Ayo, walang tao. Kaya muna tayo sa airport. Tingnan mo, umiinga, walang tao. Tulugan muna natin. Aircon. So guys, tulog muna ang amigo. Amigo nyo. Pagkabila, tulog muna. Oh, ganda nila. Oy, ganda sila. Walang tao, tahimik. Oh, durian. Kain ka ng durian. Ang tamis. Tamis ng durian, oh. Hilaw. Hindi makain. Sino kain durian guys? Kain ng durian. Ang laki ng durian. Kunti lang tao guys. Durian laki ah. Kain ng durian. Sini. May lungsod. Si ano si Francis of Assisi. Small chance. Guys, si ano guys oh. Si Mama Mary. Hindi ko makita. Si lungsod. Sino yan? Saint Pedro Kalungsod pala. Pedro Kalungsod. Mama Mary. Pedro Kalungsod. Mahal kita. Airport. Hindi kang ano ah. Gate 7. Wala pang gate 7. Naiwan na sa atin. Lipat kami sa ano. Saan yan? Gate 2? 3? Ala, naiwan na sila. Ayan o, naiwan na. 4? 5? 6? Naiwan na kami. Lipat na sa gate 3. Narito kami sa gate 7. Takbo! Takbo! Naiwan sila. Sa gate 3 daw kami. Gate 3. Naiwan. Ano kayo sa gate 7. Nagtambay. Ayan sila, takbo sila. Takbo. Saan ang gate 3? Ayun. Gate 3. Ah, gate 3. Unahan, dito? Oh, nabili na ang upat. Oh, 5. Nagtambay sila sa... Tambay kami sa gate 7. Tapos, gate 3 pala yung ano. Ayun o. Ayun, naiwan o. Ayun, naiwan. Oh. Oh, gate 3 daw kami. Gate 3. Gate 3 kami. Oh. Ayun o. Ay, dera.
Miss Jean Estorbe. Miss Jean Estorbe.
Uy.
Marian Torres.
Kaya pira.
Marian Torres. Mr. Cesario Rapan.
Hala.
Mr. Cesario Rapan. And to Miss Virginia Lapa.
Dito kami sa pikas, katambay.
Napay mga pass diri ma'am. Standby po.
Asa rin mo naggikan?
Doon. 7 ang is.
Ano mo nagtambay? Hala! Dalit. Itawag kami. Kulig si Saryo Doman.
Now ready to depart for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Busto, ably assisted by First Officer Chan Pao. Our flight time is approximately an hour and 25 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped.
Diyan sa bus. Pila man. Short way hapon. Short ang bus. Wala pa sa. Ada yung landingan di ay. Oh, landingan. Landingan. Oh, sakyan. Bag. Big bag. Sakyan na ba? Guys, Manila na tayo. Okay na guys. Dito na lang. Stay pa tayo ng mamaya. jeep. Bukas tayo sakay. Gabi na, wala na naman tayong ano. Walang sundo. Walang bus ngayon.